Hello everyone, welcome to AI with Koti. This video is for anyone is confused about what to learn in AI because most of them are learning randomly. One day they will focus on Python, next day they will focus on ChatGPT prompts, another day they will start learning ML videos. After a few weeks they feel stuck. But in reality, what companies is expecting from you? Companies will not hire you just because you know ChatGPT. They will hire you if you're able to build AI systems like RAG applications, AI agents, and multi-agent workflows. So in this video, I will give you a clear step-by-step roadmap to become job ready for roles like GenAI Engineer, LLM Engineer, AI Agent Developer, and Agentic AI Engineer. Let's start. So I divide entire thing into three different levels: Gen AI agents, and agentic AI. Gen AI. Gen AI means model generate the content. It generates the content like text, code, image. For example, ChatGPT writes an email or answer to a question. Second level is AI agents. AI agent is nothing but GenAI plus tools. The agent can take actions, calling an API, search the web, read a file. A file consists of documents, PDF, query a database, run a code. So agent is not only answering, it is also doing tasks. In third level, we are going to focus on agentic AI. Agentic AI means it can plan, execute, check, and retry until the goal is achieved, like a smart team that keeps improving the results. So now the roadmap is foundation, Gen AI, RAG, agent, and agentic AI. Finally, career readiness. In stage 1 foundation, you must have, before your focus or before you're learning Gen AI, you need strong fundamental. This is where most of the people skip and they get struggle later. First, let's start learn with Python. Focus on some practical topics such as like variables and data types, loops and functions, list, dictionary, tuple, set, file handling, conditional statement, loop statements, as well as basic OOPS concept. Next, start learn about SQL. SQL is required in real jobs, so you need to learn start with SQL. In SQL, select, where, joins, constraints, group by, case when, basic window function, aggregate function, built-in function, and so on. Third, you need to start learn about API basics because AI apps connect to APIs. Without APIs, we cannot run GenAI applications, even we cannot use prompt engineering, even we cannot call the AI agents, or even we cannot call multi-agent system. So APIs plays clear role in AI apps. So in this, you need to understand about get and post, JSON, API key, and how to test APIs. Once you complete these three steps like Python, SQL, and API basics, by now you should be able to write Python code, use SQL, and work with APIs. After these three steps, start build a small data cleaning and analysis project in Python and SQL and upload your code into GitHub. Now in stage 2, you need to focus on GenAI. Here GenAI core, which is nothing but LLMs and prompt engineering. Start learn with LLMs. So you don't need deep theory, just understand about tokens, context windows, why hallucination happens, how to control output. Next, start learn about prompt engineering, more practical. Learn here how to write clear instructions, how to give examples, how to ask for structured output like JSON, how to improve prompt step by step. And then start a mini project. Create a prompt library like store prompts for resume, email summarization, job search, and structured outputs. Even you can also consider a project like marketing campaign. In stage 3, you need to focus on embeddings and vector database. These two topics are key for RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Now, these embeddings and vector database are the most important building blocks. What embeddings does? Embeddings is nothing but convert text into number. So the system can search by meaning. That is how semantic search works. Whereas vector database store embeddings and retrieve most similar content. For example, Chroma, Pinecone, FAISS. And after learning these two topics, I would recommend you to do one more project. Take 50 pages of text and build search by meaning with the help of embeddings and vector database. Next, stage 4. This is most job relevant skill is RAG system. Now, RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG is used when a company wants AI to answer using their documents. RAG has four simple steps: load document, split into chunks, create embeddings and store, finally retrieve relevant chunks and answer with the help of LLM. Why this really important? Because company want AI on policies, SOPs, product manuals, customer support documents, and internal knowledge base. So you must build a project like a document chatbot where user upload PDFs, Word document, ask questions, model answer with sources. If you can build one strong RAG project, you already stand above many candidates who are in the market. So in stage 5, you need to focus on AI agents. As I mentioned earlier, AI agent is nothing but GenAI plus tools. So simple to say, tools using AI. Now move from answering to do tasks. AI agents can use tools like web search, API calls, database queries, file creation, and report generation. The agent loop is just think, act, observe, and report. So simple project idea like build an AI job search agent. User gives role and location. Agent collects job, filter based on skills, output top jobs, draft a referral messages. Even if you build a simple version of this AI job search agent, it has a strong portfolio project. Finally, agentic AI, simple to say, multi-agent system. This is the future. Multi-agent system means multiple agents with different responsibilities. One agent can be a planner agent, second agent is a research agent, third is a writer agent, fourth is review agent. Agentic AI means which can plan tasks, assigns to agents, checks quality, retries if needed, achieve the final goal. Some of the project ideas where multi-agent research assists to us, agent 1 can gather the required information, where agent 2, based on the gathered information, it summarizes the information. Agent 3 does it checks and improve. Final output is a clean report. This is how agentic AI think. Finally, the production skills to become industry ready. Many people stop with demo projects, but real job needs production skills. So learn fast API to create endpoints or for deployment, and just start understanding with basic deployment understanding, logging and error handling, prompt templates and versioning of the prompt template, different evaluation metrics like accuracy, hallucination checks. Even basic knowledge here makes you much professional. You will be much ahead compared to other people. Finally, we will focus on career plan. At the end of the day, why you are doing all these things? To get a better job with high pay salary. Now convert whatever the skills you have learned into job ready. Your portfolio must have minimum of 3 projects. One project could be RAG chatbot, Second is AI agent tool project. Third is multi-agent mini system. Finally, I would say that if you want to job ready role for GenAI or GenAI engineer or agent engineer, you must start with Python, SQL, APIs, LLM basics, prompt engineering, embeddings, RAG, AI agents, agentic AI, and deployment. Finally, creating a portfolio. Thank you.